Humans, long before you gnawed on us, sucked and clung to us, before you trampled our blades, hacked and slashed our limbs, before you tried to sterilize our seed, and long before you tried to bury us beneath concrete, we plants whispered sweet to one another. And knowing that from rot comes regeneration, we dig deep in the soiled places you leave behind. Your cities do not restrain our spore spray, our trembling limbs are squirting berries when they burst like storm clouds across the face of this earth to wipe away the gray waste of your existence. You should call us freaks of nature, for the flowers are fucking all around you, aching for wings and feet and beaks that massage petals swollen with nectar, spraying pollen to the wind. Yes, the moss masturbates between grass coming out beneath your toes. Yes, cones and nuts fall into moist soil as vines wrap around hardwoods thrust into the air while cacti prickle in anticipation of midnight's flowers and mushrooms' thick heads keep popping up. Turnies and places. Yes, we are always teasing each other, pleasing each other, and relieving each other all around you. Although you seem to have forgotten this. You seem to have forgotten how you need our sex, how your fate is sewn to ours with threads spun from our fibers. But come, feel how tender these tendrils are. Let our furry bows brush through your hair, nuzzle into our roses, suck the syrup from our maples, dance around our prickly pears. Let our juices run from your mouths, our fruits sweeten your swelling bellies. Let our smells intoxicate you, and then rest on our beds of moss, of heather, of matted grass, and sleep. But sleep forgetful, and you will bleed on our thorns, become smothered in our overgrowth, and choke on our seeds as they spill into your soil, strike roots into your fertile flesh, and grow molds from your bodies. And even as our shuddering cracks your concrete, we will break you to remembrance. No power plant will overcome us. No modified gene grows wild as we are. We'll be beyond our endurance. For you are all the fertilizer we need.